Hello YouTubers, in today's tutorial I will be guiding you guys on how to install Android Studio. But before we can proceed with Android Studio, we need to make sure that we have Java installed in our system. So let's check if Java is installed in our system or not. Go to command prompt, type in java dash version, and if Java version comes up with a number, it means Java is installed in our system. So let's proceed with installation of Android Studio. First of all, we need to download Android Studio. You can find the link to download Android Studio in the description box. Open up a browser, paste the URL you just copied from the description box. So paste the link you copied and paste it into the URL and press enter. Then you will be guided to developers.android.com. The page is open. Click on downloaded Android Studio. From there onwards you will be guided to another page from where you can download Android Studio. Now click on download Android Studio. Then click to terms and conditions. Then click on download Android Studio for Windows. Now after this, the downloading will begin. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna show you guys with a pre-downloaded copy that how you can install Android Studio. Once the download is complete, go to the downloads folder, double click on the application to start with installation. Then a new dialog box will appear. Click on run to begin with installation. Now the setup will start extracting itself, so just give it a minute while the setup extracts and you can further begin with installation. Once the loading is complete, then you will get a dialog box like this. Click on yes to. After that you will get a dialog box like this. Click on next to begin with installation. Do make sure that you take both Android SDK and Android virtual device, as both of these will be used to develop the Android project, and in order to test your application you will need Android virtual device. So click on next, then agree to terms and conditions, then then give the path where you want to install Android Studio. I want to install it to C drive, program files, Android Studio, and SDK to this path. Click on next, click on install. Now the installation will begin. It might take up to 2 to 3 minutes while the installation. Once the extraction is complete, click on next, click on finish. If you're installing Android Studio for the first time, then click on I do not have any previous version, or if you have any settings, then click on settings and give the path to those settings. As I don't have any settings, I will click on I do not have previous version of Studio. Click on OK. Studio will start up like this. Just wait for a while the Android Studio completely starts for the first. After Android Studio loading is complete, something like this should come up on your screen. Click on next, click on standard. Now SDK will tell that it requires these things to start for the first time. Click on finish so that it can begin with the downloading of the components of the SDK. Once the installer is done downloading all the necessary components, then you can simply click on finish to end the setup. I've skipped that part where all the packages are being downloaded and unzipped, so that you guys don't need to wait, and simply click on finish to end the installer. Now your Android Studio is up and running.